So in the last video, I stopped you at the end of meiosis 1. Our homologous pairs are lined up as pairs. It's a buddy system in meiosis. So we're going to move over to anaphase 1. In anaphase of mitosis, sister chromatids pulled apart. In anaphase 1 of meiosis, in fact, let me do our centrioles. In anaphase 1 of meiosis, these homologous chromosomes that are lined up here, these will separate. Sister chromatids will not separate just yet. So I'm actually going to draw those first. So you can see that I'm drawing them sort of like they're being pulled away. And I'll draw the spindles with those. So again, we are still pulling apart, but it's not chromatids that are being pulled apart. It's homologous pairs are separating. Okay, that's what happens in anaphase 1. Then moving to the last phase, and I have a little bit of room here. Let me move this arrow. I'm just going to move this over here. Okay. This is going to be telophase 1. And again, sort of similar to what we had before, the nuclear envelope will start to reform. Chromatin will sort of decondense, but it's just going to go into another division. So it won't really horribly decondense all the way back into chromatin. And we end up getting, so we have, again, nuclear envelope. Starts to reform, and we also get pinching of the cytoplasm. And in fact, it will go through cytokinesis after telophase 1, in which case, at the end of telophase 1, the cells will actually look like this. And so at the end of meiosis 1, if we sort of zoom out here, I can't zoom out. At the end of meiosis 1, I actually have two cells that are also, you know what, I'm going to do this in a different color, two cells, and they are now also haploid. At the end of meiosis 1, we are already haploid. Because again, think about how many chromosomes I started with. I started with 4 chromosomes, and now in each cell I only have 2 chromosomes. They're replicated, we have sister chromatids, but we only have 2 chromosomes in each, and so we are haploid. And of course, as you can tell, the daughter cells are different genetically from each other.